I'm videotaping this.
Oh, chick monkey.
Wonder if it's hers. It looks like guacamole.
You just think of that every time you get guacamole, I mean.
I don't eat guacamole, so that's okay.
Okay, good.
There she's licking her lip. Oh, that is so gross.
That is freaking funny.
I guess it's healthy to do that. I'm gonna go home and do it now.
Oh my god, that is so gross.
Finish it
I
off.
wonder if she eats all of it.
Probably will.
Dude, I think we picked a good timing for everything. We could see the
Kangaroos
kangaroos
fight.
We get to watch the gorilla eat poop. This is awesome.
This is hilarious. Just hurry up and pick up the whole thing and put it in your mouth.
She's savoring it.
Her toe's gonna taste like poop for the rest of the year.
Boy, her breath's gonna stink.
Don't go kiss him. You won't like him.
Wow, that's some thick glass.